Neither of the options are suitable. A, are, be, is, see, were. Had I known about the traffic, I dash earlier. A, would leave. B, had left. C, would have left. I wish I dash how to swim. A, know. B, knew. C, had known. He dashed more carefully, he would have passed. A, studies. B, had studied. C, studied. Hardly. Dash. He left when the bell rang. A, had. B, have. C, did. No sooner dash the sun set than it became dark. A did. B had. C was. It is high time we dash action. A, take. B, took. C, have taken. Each of the candidates dash given a number. A, were. B, are. C, was. Scarcely dash he entered the room when the lights went out. A, had. B, did. C, was. He acted dash he knew nothing. A, as. B, as if. C, like. Synonym of ephemeral. A, everlasting. B, temporary. C, strong. Synonym of perplexed. A, confused. B, excited. C, angry. Synonym of audacious. A, bold. B, boring. C, scared. Synonym of melancholy. A, happiness. B, sadness. C, surprise. Synonym of contemplate. A, ignore. B, consider. C, shout. Antonym of prudent. A. Careless. B. Wise. C. Sharp. Antonym of benevolent. A. Cruel. B. Kind. C. Generous. Antonym of scarcity. A. Shortage. B. Abundance. C. Loss. Antonym of indigenous. A. Native. B. Foreign. C. Domestic. Antonym of lucid. A. Clear. B. Confusing. C. Bright. To burn the candle at both ends means A. Waste wax. B. Overwork. And C. Light a fire. A red herring refers to A. A type of fish. B. A misleading clue. C. A false color. To throw in the towel means A. Give up. B. Take a bath. C. Get angry. Beat around the bush means A. Walk near a bush. B. Avoid the main topic. C. Fight someone. Cut to the chase means A. Leave. B. Start running. C. Get to the point. Dash I had known, I would have helped. A. If. B. Unless. C. Although. The more you practice, the you become. A. Better. B. The better. C. Best. Talks as though he dash everything. A. Knows. B. Knew. C. Has known. Not only was he late, dash, he also forgot the keys. A. And. B. But. C. As. Dash being tired, he continued working. A. Despite. B. Although. C. Because. Neither the teacher nor the students was present. A, correct. B, incorrect. The news are spreading fast. A, correct. B, incorrect. He is one of those people who likes cricket. A, correct. B, incorrect. Te scusejes que ya la dogusato. No, A, correcta y incorrecta. He did nothing but to complain. A, correct. B, incorrect. All cats are animals. Some animals are black, therefore some cats are black. A, logically correct. B, logically incorrect. Some A are B, all B are C, therefore some A are C. Always true, not necessarily true. Identify the odd one out. A, triumph. B, victory. C, failure. Spot the correct analogy. Page, book, leaf. A, tree. B, paper. C, forest. Rearrange. Always, we, honesty, practice, should. A, we, honesty, always practice, should. B, we should always practice honesty. C, should always practice we, honesty. Read the short passage and answer. The internet has revolutionized education. While it provides open access to information, it also exposes users to misinformation. The author believes the internet A, has no impact on education. B, only spreads misinformation. C, has both pros and cons. Read the short passage and answer. The internet has revolutionized education. While it provides open access to information, it also exposes users to misinformation. The word revolutionized means A, made worse. B, dramatically changed. C, removed. The student was dash from school for 3 days. A, absent. B, abstain. The decision was made with full A. Consensus, B. Conciseness. I was dashed to see him after so long. A. Elated, B. Elevated. Please dash the package at the reception. A. Accept, B. Accept. He was quite dash in expressing his opinion. A. Vocal, B. Vocally, C. He said he dashed the movie last week. A. Watched, B. Has watched, C. Watches. She will call you after she dashed dinner. A. Finishes, B. Finished, C. Will finish. I dashed to the new campus next semester. A. Transfer, B. Will be transferring, C. Had transferred.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.